Today I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn's search features for better job search. So if you're looking for a job, you want to make sure that you're filtering down as much as possible so that you're not looking at 100 jobs and trying to find a job within a pool of 100. But if you're filtering some of these jobs down, you'll maybe have 30 or 40 and you have less jobs to read through and it's less time consuming. So go into jobs, and here you can dial in whatever type of job you are looking for. So just for example, we are going to go look for video editor. You will now see that there are a bunch of video editing jobs within a specific location. You can, however, you can change this location. So let's just say I want to do like the whole of South Africa, because you may get like jobs that are remote. So regardless of my location, you will see now that these jobs are pretty much anywhere all over the world or within my search location. You can also see over here that if you're looking for companies or people, you can filter that out. The date that it's been posted, we want to say like past 24 hours. This means that only your most recent jobs are going to show here. That literally means that if you're looking for a job, likely these people are less chance of already being hired somebody. Then the Easy Apply. Easy Apply is the feature within LinkedIn to help you easily apply for jobs without having to do a long process. It basically takes your entire profile and makes up a CV or a resume for you with regards to sort of what work is relevant on your profile to the job that you're posting for. Here you can show results for only a particular company. And then if you're looking for jobs that only have like less than 10 applicants, then you can filter that out as well. This basically shows you less jobs and makes it more appropriate for your job search.